Nisha and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So as you guys know, the IPL season is just around the corner and I have decided to take on a fun and creative challenge that combines my love for cricket with the love of crochet, and I'm going to do the IPL blanket challenge. So this challenge is going to be kind of similar to the IPL scarf challenge I took like probably 3-4 years ago, but this time I am going to finish it. So yeah, you should definitely come along for this journey. I am just going to tell you what it is all about. As for the people who don't know, what I think, if you live in India, you know what IPL is. It's like the biggest T20 league in the world. So yeah, IPL is Indian Premier League. I will leave a bit of information of IPL right here so you can read through it. I am going to show you the chart that I have created. So it's very similar to a temperature blanket kind of situation where you crochet like one line on one square every day on basis of the temperature. I just gave it a bit of cricket twist. I'll explain it to you guys in a bit. But this is my color chart. I have written the names of all 10 teams and I have assigned them with a specific color which ChatGPT helped me pick. So thank you ChatGPT for that. So basically I've just written, and by the way guys, all the names are in alphabetical order. Chennai is not first because I love Chennai. So yeah, just a disclaimer. But yeah, all the teams are written and I have assigned them a color as well. So the plan is to make a square in the winning colors. For example, the first match is, I believe, between Kolkata Knight Riders versus Royal Challengers Bangalore. So for example, if Kolkata wins that match, I'll make one square in the color of Kolkata, which is this pretty purple. So first things first, I'm going to show you all the colors that I have selected for the team. So let's start with Chennai. So for the disclaimer purposes, all of these colors are 100% acrylic BK yarn from Hobby Store. If you want to know the yarn in much detail, you can watch my yarn haul video, which is coming right after that. I just finished shooting that one. So yeah, let's start with the Chennai team. For Chennai, I'm going to use this pretty sunshine color. It's like a yellow shade. So this is going to be for Chennai. And then we'll move on to the Delhi team. So for Delhi, I'm going to use marine blue, which is, I believe, right here. So yeah, this is the marine blue color. So some teams were like very easy to pick for, like Chennai and Kolkata and Hyderabad and even Rajasthan, because they have like some unique colors. I think Kolkata changed their jersey to be black and gold now, but we are going to very kindly ignore that. But yeah, let's move on to Gujarat. So for Gujarat, this color I think is very close to black, but it's called midnight. So yeah, so this is the color I chose for Gujarat. I think it's very suited to their jersey right now. So this is for Gujarat. Then moving on to Kolkata Knight Riders. It is obviously a very rich purple. So this is called as violaceous. Tell me how you pronounce it. It's right here. Yeah. So this is the purple I chose for Kolkata. Then for Lucknow, I chose another one of the blue. Color is called Royal. I miss when Lucknow was like teal color. It was unique. But yeah, they have like shifted to blue. No surprises there. I don't know what is IPL's obsession with blue and red. Like almost all the teams have blue or red in them. But anyway, this is the Royal color I chose for Lucknow. Moving on to Mumbai. So I did not really want to choose a blue for Mumbai because I think blue is very common. So I went with their other color, which I think is very well suited. It's the gold. Yeah, looks very pretty. So the color name is also called as gold. So that's for Mumbai Indians. I live in Mumbai, but I support Chennai. Duplicitous pitch. Anyways, so next is the Punjab team. Punjab team, I have chosen a lighter shade of red. This is called as roof tile. So this is like a lighter shade of red. Then moving on to Rajasthan Royal. Again, I think this is like one of my favorite colors I chose. Not just because I like pink. It's like a very bright pink color. It's called Fiesta. I really think it suits their jersey very well. And then to the Bangalore team, I have chosen this red. It's called chili pepper red. So this is like the red I choose for RCB. And last but not the least, for Hyderabad, I chose this again bright orange color. I don't know why I get confused between orange and brown, but this is a very bright orange color. It's called Spice. So this is the color I chose for Hyderabad. So yeah, that are the colors I chose for every team. So now we are going to move ahead and I'm going to show the square that I'm going to make. This is a square which I'm going to make for the winning team. So the inside of the square will represent the color of the winning team, and then I'm going to do a border with black. I was thinking of doing a white border, but I just feel that white will get spoiled easily, so I just went with black. My only concern is when we use the midnight color, maybe it won't be like much visible, but I'm just hoping that it will be. So yeah, we are going to use this design. I just feel it's very cute and it would really look nice as a blanket when like all the colors are coming together and we have black as a base. It's a slow and steady process, but it's really exciting to see how the blanket is going to come together as the season progresses. Like this is where it is going to get fun. So obviously I'm not going to share like a long video each week showing you the progress of the blanket. I'm going to give you daily updates. So I'm going to post a short and a reel every day at around 6-7 p.m. And in that reel, I'm going to show you the update of the previous day's match. And then as for stitching the blanket together, I don't want to stitch it together after every match because it will be very tedious process. So what we are going to do is we are going to stitch it after every, say, 2 weeks, give or take. So as for the pattern for the blanket, I thought for a long time. So first change that I'm going to make is I'm going to add another row of black right above this, so it gains a bit of height. And then we are going to do 6 squares in a row, and then we are going to do the height. And at the end of it, I believe we will be having 4 slots remaining. So in that 4 slots, we are just going to put the teams which reach the top 4 to complete the blank. So I'll just tell you more about it later when the our blanket progresses. You'll get a better idea, but yeah, that's the plan as of right now. And I'm really hoping this time at least that I'll get put more of the yellow color. Like that's my hope at the start of the blanket. But you guys get to leave down in the comment right now who do you think will win this season, and let's see if your guesses are right. So I am really excited to see how this blanket goes, and I would request you guys to come and follow me along on this beautiful journey. And I'll post a question after every reel and you can just participate, and it will be a great interactive session for you every single day where you'll get the update on the blanket as well. You can answer some fun questions. Maybe you can see if you knew the answer, or it's just a fun trivia game. So yeah, just follow along. And if you guys have any questions about this blanket, you can leave that down in the comment box down below. You can also use the comment box below to encourage me to complete the blanket at least this IPL season. It's just making 78 squares and attaching them together, but I don't know if I can do it without your support. So yeah, at the end of the IPL season, I will hopefully have a memory of the entire IPL. I can see how it like turned up because each square will represent a team. So really excited about that. So yeah, I think that is it, and I'm going to end my video right here. Hope you like it. If you did, hit the like button, comment down below which is your favorite team, and you can subscribe to my channel or just come back every day to see the video and how the blanket is growing. And yeah, I really hope to see you guys next week. Bye.